mustache. Bienvenido, bienvenue, bem-vindo. Welcome in the Trivia Tractor. Hello again and welcome to Trivia Tractor Week 6. Everyone's gonna love it, you're gonna love it, I'm gonna love it. 6 rhymes with sticks, kicks, mix, fix, tricks, chicks.
Licks.
Wrong answer, moose face. That's what my dad always says to me. Which of the following wasn't an emotion in the featured movie Inside Out? Joy, anger, anxiety, or sadness? Are you sure?
I don't know.
Yeah, you got it right! What is the name of an adult female horse?
A mare, right?
I know in Spanish. Yegua.
Is it mare?
Yeah! Sí se puede! What sound does a dolphin make? Oh, no way, no more bachelor questions. Hey! Which celebrity is Taylor Swift dating? It rhymes with Smalvin Barris. Calvin Harris! Calvin Harris!
Calvin Harris.
Yeah, dude! How many dots are there in total on a pair of dice?
42.
Is that your final answer?
Sure.
Yeah! Name 3 countries that start with the letter J.
Jamaica?
Jamaica. You have Bob Marley.
Jamaica.
1 country. Jordan, yeah. Jordan. You have the Bible.
Jordan.
2 countries. Jerusalem is not a country.
Okay.
And you have wax on, wax off Karate Kid guy. That's kind of a country that not very many people hear about. Japan! Japan!
Oh my god.
Trivia Master Jerusalem.
Japan.
What?
Yeah.
Japan! Woo! This is Brian here from Trivia Tractor. We just saw a sign that says free cake and free cookies. We're gonna freaking roll up on them, hit them with some trivia. They don't even know what's coming. Name 3 countries that start with the letter J. In exchange for their cookies, they wanted my blood, which I'm not really willing to do. You have 2 options in life, blood or cookies. Only one of those are necessary, and I think I chose the wrong one. I probably should have gotten a cookie. Name all 4 members of the Beatles.
Ringo Starr, Paul McCartney,
John Lennon. John Lennon!
George Harris.
Okay, we got a cheater on board! George Harrison!
You said
You got Harris!
I said Harrison.
Mm.
Yes, I did. 100%.
Okay.
George Harris.